Today we're gonna do an experience of vegetables. We have to only do the healthy food because they're super healthy.
Follow you?
So here we got the fridge. Let's open it. If I need help, no worries. I can ask. So in here, milk. See, it's healthy. It's white. I described it.
Okay.
And broccoli, it's green. And it's green. And it's healthy. So see in here, there's another broccoli, green beans. These are both green. This is cabbage, it's leaf, healthy. Tomato, healthy. And carrot, healthy.
Tomato is fruit or vegetable?
It is a fruit, but we use it as a vegetable. So,
Okay.
see this?
Yep, what's that one?
It is
Avocado.
avocado. And I don't like it, but it's brown.
You don't like it? That's a fruit or vegetable also?
It's a fruit.
A fruit. And what's next to it up there? What are these?
Eggs.
Eggs. Are those a healthy food?
Yes! They are brown.
Brown eggs. Okay. Anything else? What are these?
Strawberry yogurt. And it's healthy and red.
It's healthy and it's red.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's close this one out. I can't.
Okay, I'll help you close it.
So, wait, I'm gonna help you.
Okay.
Let's see. What is that? Mustard.
Mustard. Is that a healthy food?
Yes, but it's not a food.
Not a food, it's a condiment.
No! It is
Ah,
for squeezing.
for squeezing.
And it's healthy. Even ketchup, it's red. Soda, no.
Soda.
Toss it out with my fingers.
Okay.
It's green, but we don't even drink it. Only my dad. And let's see even what that quinoa. I don't even like.
But quinoa, is it healthy?
Healthy. It's a type of rice.
Yeah, it's a grain, right?
No.
Yeah, a grain.
Oh.
Another type of rice.
But
It's a grain.
Wow. So
Okay.